Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I just want to share my mag collections and my magnetic fridge. So I hope you like this video guys and enjoy. Mag collection from different states and outside the country. Okay, so this first mag, we received this one. I think it's a Christmas present from our pastor. Okay, so that's the name of our church, the Church of the Nazarene. Okay, and then I have this Pennsylvania mag, so we got this one during our trip to Pennsylvania, and I really like that mag. I really have this one. Okay, and then here. I love Korea, so I got this one during our trip back to the Philippines back of 2018, and we have a stock over in South Korea, so that's why I bought one, guys. Okay, and then here I have a Dallas Arboretum mag, so this is the mag that we picked up, guys, during our trip to Dallas Arboretum. Okay, and then also there's New York City. This is the one that when we traveled to New York. I think it's quite years now, but I can't remember what year when we went to New York. Okay, and then I have an Oklahoma mag. Okay, of course, I need to have one Oklahoma because I live in Oklahoma, guys. Okay, and then also in Massachusetts, so I have one mag, and then I got this one in Massachusetts, the Dunkin' Donut here. So of course I need to get one over there. And the last one, the Las Vegas mag. Okay, that's the Las Vegas mag during our trip to Las Vegas. There you go, guys. And guys, I have another 4 mag to share. Okay, so I forgot to include this one to my other mag. Okay, so this mag is from Virginia. So one of my friends gave this to me as a gift during her trip to Virginia because she knows I am a mag addict. Okay, so this mag are so beautiful. It's really pretty. Okay, and then this one, this is the mag I got during our trip to New Mexico, and we went to Carlsbad cover. Okay, so I got one of that, and then I have another one right here. Okay, so we went to Roosevelt, and I got one of that mag also, and also here's the Hollywood Wax Museum, and I got that one during our trip to Branson, Missouri, guys. So I think that's all of it. So I don't have that much, but I'm still working on it to collect some. So hopefully when we travel to different states I can get more mag, but I am a mag addict, so I love to collect mag, guys, wherever I go. There you go. Okay, and now guys, so here is the magnetic we collect. Okay, so these are the magnetic that I received from my sister-in-law. So she gave this to me, so at least even I'm here in the US, I would forget my hometown. Okay, so it's really pretty, guys. I live in the island in the Philippines, and that's my city, Cebu City. Okay, and then there is one here, Cebu, Philippines. Okay, and then I'll show you this one magnetic here. This magnetic we have here. This is from Louisiana. When we went to Louisiana, we got one souvenirs, okay? And then when we went to Branson, Missouri, we got one for this one also. We went to Wax Museum. Okay, and then here I have this Las Vegas magnetic, guys. So this is back of 2014 when I traveled to Las Vegas. Okay, and then the Disneyland magnetic. So we went to Disneyland. There you go. I have one that one also, and another magnetic from Louisiana, and another magnetic from Cebu, Philippines. Okay. There you go, guys. This is all our collection during our trip. So I hope you like this kind of video, and if you do like it, please give this a big thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.